Hello FunXies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you guys can make your own handmade doll with some foam over here, basically some sponge. And I'll just start tracing out the body of my handmade doll first. Only the body, not the head and the hands and legs, not that, just the body over here first. Once this is done, I'll start cutting it out. Once that is done, I'll just smooth out the edges. Once the body is nice and smooth, as you can see, and it is nicely movable because of the foam, and over here I have not inserted any craft wire. So now what I'll do is that I'll take some pieces of foam again and just gently cut out the edges and place it over the body parts where it needs to be. Once that is done, I'll also do the same thing and cut out the hands. So I got these two hands now, and I'll just stick them together on each of the sides. So now once this body is ready, let's start making the head. And so for that, I'm taking a block of sponge over here, and I'll just trace out the head in an oval shape. Then I'll just gently cut out the edges again and make the head proper. So once that is done, I'll take the remaining pieces and make the nose and the ears. Then I'll just make a hole over here using my tools. And then I'll just make a coiling out of cardboard. And then I'll just place a hole over here as well and put some plastic straw. So once the straw is inside, I'll put this coiling to the head and put this inside the doll's body. So this is how the head will move, and it's a movable head. And the body parts can also move because these are made out of only foam. I'll just cut out the shoe also from the foam. So now once these two are done, I'll stick on each of the legs, and this is how the doll looks right now. Now I'll just apply a very thick layer of glue because as we all know, the foam and the sponges have pores in them. So we don't want our paints and all to go inside. So we just have to apply some thick layer of white glue, and after it gets dried, it will give you a very smooth base. So that as you can see, I'm painting on this with my acrylic paints, and all the pores are now closed. Once that is dried, I'll just use my marker and start making the anime eyes. Once the facial expressions are ready, as you can see, this is how she looks. Now let's start making the dress. So for that, I'm taking this multicolored, very cute design kind of fabric, and I'll just start making the t-shirt first. So right now you can carefully follow the steps and make the dress. And again, I'm using no sew over here So this step is completely based on glue. Now these will be the sleeves. So now once I close this, as you can see, this is a very cute t-shirt which I got for her. Now I'll just put it upside down. So you can use any kind of tool for that, or also you can use your fingers and just pull that sleeves upside down. So yeah, after this is done, I'll bring my doll and I'll just make her wear it. Then I'll just stick it from the back. So now once that is done, I'll take another piece of the same fabric and make the collars. When that is done, as you can see, I'm just making a very bright colored denim skirt. So for that, I'm taking a denim fabric and sticking it over here. So it's kind of a denim dress as well, and then I'll just take some gems and stick them over here as the buttons. So now once that is done, I'll make a very tiny bow out of the same denim fabric. And then I'll place it over here onto the neck. Now let's start painting the boots. So for that, I'm just using black acrylic paints and I'll paint the boots over here. So now once the boots are now completely dried, I'll take my white acrylic paint and make these lines over here as the laces. Once that is done and it's getting dried, let's start making the doll hairs. So as you all know, anime dolls have very beautiful long hairs. So I'm using black wool over here and I'll just brush it out together. So after it's nicely brushed and done over here, what I'll do is that I'll take them together and stick it from the middle using another strand. And then I'll tie a knot from the back side, so this will give me a middle parting or a side parting, anything which you like on your doll. So over here I'm going for a side parting and slight little bangs from the front. So I'll just stick it from the back as well, and this is how the hairs look. So this will be the bangs. So yeah guys, now as you can see, the doll's legs and hands are easily movable and it's looking very cute. So guys, this is how my anime doll turned out to be. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye bye.